My pitch is for vertical integration. It's for clothing companies to make stuff themselves. American Apparel was generating earnings. Unfortunately, lost control of it. The business model, though, worked. That's what's so important, is that we were able to pay fair wages and still generate earnings. Imagine you make 25,000 of them in Bangladesh. They come in and everybody's saying, it's perfect, but I would have loved them, but they're too small, they're too big, they're too high, they're too low. It's itching me, it's too loose here, it's too tight there. So you don't get the magic. Most clothing companies don't make the clothes themselves. They outsource. By manufacturing the goods yourself, you could test things, make things, stop things, start things. My thesis is if you bring the worker back into the company, make them part of the company, integrate their spirit, their energy, manual labor, and combine it with the designer, combine it with the leadership of the company, the marketing, and make it into one ball of fantastic energy. And you can make clothing less expensively than it's made offshore. But I believe there is a glory to the manufacturing. But at the same time, I feel I could advance also my creativity by doing the manufacturing.